Hello everyone, this is Eva from LIVI Machinery, China. Today we are going to show you a part of our factory, including our main product sample room and manufacturing line. As one-step poultry farm design expert, we specialize in all kinds of poultry farming equipment. In the past 12 years, we have served over 1,000 customers, exporting our poultry equipment to more than 75 countries. Firstly, let's take a look at our automatic layer cage system. Hot dip galvanized treatment, no rust, no corrosion, longer service life. Next is our baby chicken cage system. Here is our broiler cage system. We also provide automatic chicken out harvest system. Now it's time to see our 8-time fully set automatic layer cage system, including cages and ladder feeding and manure removing and egg collection system. We have many special designs for this system. For example, the feeding machine works very steadily and the noise is minimal, ensuring that the chicken will not have a stress reaction. Also, as you can see, the feeding is well distributed. It ensures feed trough always clean, avoid constantly resulting in bacteria and diseases. Here is our observation device. Super convenient to check quality and quantity of feed. About the feed trough, our special big slope design to prevent feed waste. Now please check how strong they are. That's why we guarantee always provide a great product. The cage material is Q235 steel, welding then hot dip galvanized. Hot dip galvanized and no desoldering and no deformation. It guarantees our cage's stable service life up to 20 years. Check our automatic manual cleaning system. Manual will be transported through circulation belt. Then will be transported to lateral and oblique belt ends. At last, manual will be transported to outside of the house. The manual removal belt is made of 1.2mm PP material, which is very durable. Now let's see how the egg collection system works. After the egg slides down to the egg collection belt, the egg will be sent to the front end through transporting rotation belt. The front end connected by suitable angle of galvanized sheet, which ensures good condition of eggs to collection machine. The egg cloth of the main equipment is made of PP material, which will not break the egg while grasping it. Also, it can reduce contact between workers and chickens, which means it can reduce the possibility of chicken diseases. With our egg collection system, your farm management can be super convenient and efficient.